Hey guys, welcome back to Just So Bored again. Today we'll be unboxing Central Machinery's 1500 watt steam cleaner kit. We purchased this from Harbor Freight for around the price of $120. Now we'll go ahead and crack it open to show what's inside. As you can see laid out here, this is everything that comes inside the box. To start, we have the main unit here, the steamer itself, which has an 8-foot hose, along with 2 extension tubes, a funnel, and a measuring cup. Next up, we have the medium-sized attachments. This includes a floor brush with cloth for cleaning hard floors, carpets and rugs, window attachments with squeegee for cleaning windows, shower doors, mirrors, oven doors, and tile, and an upholstery brush for cleaning fabric, upholstery, curtains, pillows, and mattresses. There is also the handle and adapter. And lastly, we have the small attachments. First, there is a jet for cleaning in tight spaces, and the brass brush that cleans oven racks and barbecue grills. Then there is 3 small nylon brushes, 2 large nylon brushes, and a scrubber. These 3 tools are used for cleaning countertops, stoves, ovens, sinks, toilets, and grout. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for a follow-up review video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time when we're just so bored again, we make another video.